Harmonization, not merger. SEC Chair Paul Atkins shuts down SEC and CFTC union rumors. CFTC. Paul Atkins. SEC. A harmonized approach could reduce overlapping compliance burdens that have pushed crypto activity abroad, while retaining separate statutory mandates to avoid a legislative merger fight. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan. A cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, last updated 6 hours ago. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, Chair Paul S. Atkins has dismissed speculation about a merger between the SEC and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, stating that the focus is instead on harmonization of regulatory oversight. Speaking at today's SEC-CFTC Joint Roundtable on Regulatory Harmonization, Atkins told reporters that crypto remains the agency's top priority and clarified that long-standing merger rumors are unfounded. Our focus is on harmonization, not on a merger between the SEC and CFTC, Atkins said, pushing back on speculation that has resurfaced with every new administration. U.S. regulators move toward unified digital asset framework in joint SEC-CFTC event. Atkins described today's gathering as a turning point for U.S. financial markets, indicating a shift from years of siloed approaches. For years, the SEC and CFTC have worked in silos, sometimes at odds. Now we're paving a unified path forward, he said. The roundtable marks one of the most important joint events to date between the two regulators, bringing together Wall Street executives, policymakers, and leading crypto firms. The agenda features 3 panels examining how closer coordination could reshape oversight of platforms, participants, and digital asset services. Participants span both traditional finance and crypto, with speakers from Nasdaq, CME Group, ICE, Kraken, Polymarket, Calsure, Crypto.com, Citadel, Robinhood, WisdomTree, and major U.S. banks. Atkins framed harmonization as necessary to prevent financial development from moving offshore. The fragmented, convoluted system ends now, he said. Without a unified approach, America risks ceding leadership in the next chapter. He pledged that both agencies would work in lockstep to align oversight, streamline reporting, and coordinate exemptions for innovation under existing laws. The message represents a sharp departure from the previous administration, which frequently clashed over digital asset jurisdiction. This ends now, Atkins declared. It is indeed a new day at the CFTC and SEC. Together, our agencies will ensure the next chapter of financial innovation is written right here in the U.S. In a joint statement issued earlier this month, Atkins and acting CFTC Chair Caroline D. Pham emphasized the need to harmonize definitions, align capital and margin requirements, and reduce unnecessary barriers to innovation. By working in lockstep, our two agencies can harness our nation's unique regulatory structure into a source of strength, they said, framing today's discussions as a pivotal step for market clarity. The event, held at SEC headquarters in Washington, runs from 1 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time and is open to the public with a live webcast on the SEC's website. Opening remarks were delivered by Atkins, Pham, and SEC Commissioner Caroline Crenshaw, while closing remarks were expected from Commissioner Hester Pierce. Atkins described the effort as a balance between protecting investors and supporting entrepreneurs. Markets, like rivers, have a way of finding new channels where once there were separate streams, he said. Our task is to combine investor protections with an innovation-friendly approach. The roundtable comes amid rising pressure for clearer digital asset oversight. With crypto flagged as the SEC's top priority, today's dialogue signals a coordinated attempt by regulators to bring greater coherence to U.S. markets without restructuring their agencies. U.S. accelerates push toward a Bitcoin reserve market structure bill. The debate over a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve is gaining momentum alongside sweeping legislative reforms aimed at reshaping crypto regulation. On September 23, SEC Chair Paul Atkins urged Congress to fast-track the Crypto Assets Market Structure Act, stressing the need for a unified framework between the SEC and CFTC. Speaking to Fox Business, Atkins pointed to the Genius Act, which granted statutory recognition to stablecoins earlier this year, as evidence of bipartisan progress. He emphasized that the next priority is aligning the SEC and CFTC through joint rulemaking to reduce regulatory uncertainty. The White House has set an ambitious timeline, expecting the market structure bill to reach President Trump's desk by the end of 2025. At Korea Blockchain Week, White House Digital Assets Council Executive Director Patrick Witt confirmed expectations for passage, calling it a step toward reducing ambiguity in a $4 trillion market. Senate Democrats have pressed for a bipartisan process, warning against advancing a Republican-led draft without equal input. In parallel, the SEC is preparing an innovation exemption to let crypto firms launch products without immediate compliance hurdles. Atkins described it as a shift toward fostering innovation and encouraging tokenization in U.S. markets, framing it as part of Trump's ambition to make the country the crypto capital of the planet. Meanwhile, the White House is vetting candidates to lead the CFTC, which could soon gain expanded authority over digital commodities under pending legislation. Former officials Josh Sterling, Mike Seelig, and Tyler Williams are among those being considered as lawmakers seeking a steady hand to oversee Bitcoin and other spot markets. With both Congress and regulators moving in tandem, the prospect of a U.S. Bitcoin reserve and broader crypto framework is edging closer to reality. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. Liquidity rotation from Bitcoin to XRP expected after SEC approvals. XRP price prediction. The first U.S. spot XRP ETF is about to be listed, and the XRP price target is $5 Bitcoin price prediction. Crypto billionaire says BTC could hit record highs soon, thanks to a major shift in U.S. policy. XRP returns to $3.40 all-time high as DOT miners launches multi-coin mining options in response to market surge. Bitcoin price prediction. $109,000 hold ignites, October rally talk. Is this the BTC catalyst? Blockchain news. Hyperliquid's Hyperdrive DeFi loses $773,000 in account compromise. Funds bridged to BNB Chain and Ethereum. 1 day ago, by Anas Hassan. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Ripple joins BlackRock in $700 million off-ramp deal. $1,000 XRP possible? 5 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, and Picoin by the end of 2025. 4 hours ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. September 15, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 14 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. September 22, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. September 11, 2025, by Ben Beto.